Aloha! If you love pineapple like I do, you are going to fall in love with this recipe. It is called the Aloha Pineapple, and we start with the base of the Strawberry Puretrim Shake. Now this recipe is in your PureTrim book. First, we're going to pour in 12 ounces of chilled filtered water into our blender. And then we're going to use our PureTrim Strawberry Sorbet Shake. We're going to use the whole banana and a cup of pineapple, frozen pineapple, and then a cup of ice, because I like my shakes really cold. We're going to blend it up for about 15 to 30 seconds. It's looking good. It smells like Hawaii. You're going to fall in love with these PureTrim shakes. I'm just telling you. This has got to be one of my favorite. I love pineapple, and this Aloha Pineapple. Oh, it's heaven, I'm telling you. The Aloha Pineapple, this is my favorite.